Hi guys, welcome to this video. Configure network interface card. It is important to understand how to configure or reconfigure the network adapter from the command prompt. This is useful when not using the graphical interface for Linux or if you are connected to a system remotely through a terminal window. There are number of cases in penetration testing where the command line will be the only option for making configuration changes. These changes will need to be made as a user with elevated permissions. Using the root account is a good way to make these changes on a Kali Linux or other Linux operating system. Once permissions have been elevated, the network card can be configured. So checking the status of the computer's network card and the status of each card is done with the command ifconfig space -a. This command will display the current configuration of all network cards on the computer. Here you can see two network addresses are displayed. ETH0 the first Ethernet card and LO the loopback or internal interfaces. The setting for this adapter were set using the graphical interface. Changes this is simple using the command prompt. So let me show you another command ifconfig. So the interface can be started using the up option or stopped using the down option of the ifconfig command. When specifying the interface to be stopped or started, the command would stop the first Ethernet adapter. Let me check with the ifconfig command. The following command would start the first Ethernet adapter. So the IP address of this adapter can be changed from 10.0.0.139 to its current configuration to 10.0.0.140. So let me use command ifconfig eth0 and give IP address 140 for first Ethernet. Here you can see IP address has been changed. The command line can be used to change the network mask as well by using the following command ifconfig eth0 10.0.0.140. Here you can see net mask information. For 139 it was 24 CIDR and for 140 it is 8 CIDR. So let me change subnet mask. It's also known as net mask from 8 to 24 CIDR. Check with the ifconfig command. Here you can see net mask has been changed. So full configuration of the network card at the command line does require a bit more work than using the graphical user interface, as the configuration settings are not all stored in the same location. The default gateway is added or changed. In this case, to default gateway is You can check using IP root command. Sometimes it show information about default gateway. We are not able to check using IP root command. So let me add default gateway for this machine using root space add default gateway will be 10.0.0.2. You can see the network is unreachable for this. Let me ping to the 140. We are able to ping to the, but I am not able to add gateway information. So you can check gateway information from graphical console also. Here you can see DNS address information is defined and default gateway address is also defined. So it is not taking. If you want to define a DNS address, means name servers information, use echo command to give input to the resolve.conf file. Here you can see name server detail has been added. Name server is 10.0.0.2. So the above command will remove the existing name server and replace it with the 10.0.0.2. So if you want to add additional name server, you can use double greater than, give enter and use cat command to read the content of the resolve.conf file. And here you can see we are not able to see the detail because there is some typo mistake. Now you can see we added additional DNS information also. So if you want to enter network configurations information directly into network configurations files, so here is the path of network configuration files. You can give network interface configuration information like ETH0 inet static, means we will assign network address information statically, means we are not using DHCP. You can define IP address here like 10.0.0.140. You can define net mask informations like 255.255.255.0, and you can also define gateway information like 10.0.0.2. and just save and exit from these configuration files. If you want to save, use W, and if you want to create and save, use WQ. I'm not saving this configuration file. Just define Q and give enter. Q and use F with exclamation. It will exit from the configuration files. So hope you understand how we can configure a network interface card on Kali Linux machines. Thank you for watching this video.